gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to TEDxGEMSWellingtonAcademyAlKhail. It's an absolute pleasure to have you with us this evening. Now, I'm sure most of you are already aware, but just in case you aren't, I thought I'd say a few words about the difference between TED and TEDx. TED stands for Technology, Entertainment, and Design. It is essentially the world's premier intellectual conference that brings together the most exceptional thinkers and doers on the planet under the slogan, "Ideas worth spreading." The TED conference has been held annually every year since 1990, and in keeping with its early Silicon Valley origins, the early TED Talks focused primarily on technology and design. However, since then, TED has broadened its perspective to include talks about scientific, cultural, humanitarian, and academic topics as well. Now, those early TED Talks were held behind closed doors and weren't really open to the general public. However, all that changed in 2006 when TED began to offer its videos for free viewing online under a Creative Commons license. And gosh, those TED Talks proved incredibly popular. In 2009, 3 years after TED went online, TED videos had a total of 140,000 views. By 2010, that went up to 23 million views. And by 2011, it reached 190 million views. But by 2012, boom, it hit 1 billion views. That's a textbook example of exponential growth. And what it indicated is that the world has a keen appetite for intellectual ideas. Since 2012, TED conferences have been held annually and have simply been gaining in popularity. And all those videos by those incredible speakers are uploaded on the TED website. That's the story of TED. TEDx, on the other hand, is a grassroots initiative created in the spirit of TED's overall mission of ideas worth spreading. TEDx events are locally and independently organized events under license from TED. Every year, over 3,000 TEDx events are held in 130 countries around the world. Here at the Academy, for the third year now, we have a license to host our own TEDx event, and the theme of today's event is Fast Forward. Humanity is making tremendous progress at a rapid pace. An exciting future awaits us in which artificial intelligence, robotics, synthetic biology, digital manufacturing, and other exponentially growing technologies will enable us to meet and exceed the basic needs of every single person on the planet. We will see more change in the next 2 decades than we've seen in the previous 2 centuries. Today's series of talks aims to take a techno-optimistic view of the future, and the various speakers approach the theme from different perspectives and different angles through fashion, space exploration, the environment, and of course, education. Now, a lot of hard work, research, and thought have gone into today's series of talks, so we really hope you do enjoy the show. I'd now like to leave you with a short video mashup called It's Time for TED. On that note, a very warm welcome once again, and thank you for coming.